Hello, let me introduce our eShare application projection function. And this projection solution supports the phone projection to the board directly and also project your computer screen to the board directly. Let me show the first projection like the phone. We provide the free software in phone, and this is the application named eShare. You can search in your phone directly, and there is two functions. You could click the first one and start 3, 2, 1. It will show your screen, your phone screen to the board directly. This is very conveniently. Yes, can control it together and open the camera so everything will be same, will display at the same time. Okay, and this is the normally function we can do, and the special function of our software. Our special function of this application is reverse control of the board. You can click this one, and then the board screen is projected to the phone directly, and you could control it, can click it and some edit. Okay. Yes, that's very conveniently to use. And project the computer screen to the board directly. And let me show you how to use the software. This is the eShare software. You can click a button, then we'll share your screen to the board directly. Okay, let's turn on one video. Okay. Yes, can display all the things same, can control it, and it can be reverse control like this. Okay. Click here and stop it. You will back to the board directly. And then it also can project multiple unit screen to the board directly. And this is one screen, and the phone projected. Okay, there is two screen can project to the board, and the Max is support 9 unit screen project to the interactive board directly.